Introducing the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system, a revolutionary router replacement for whole home coverage. With this 3-pack system, you can now enjoy fast and reliable Wi-Fi that extends up to 4,500 square feet. One of the standout features of the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is its compatibility with Alexa. By pairing it with an Alexa device, sold separately, you can easily manage Wi-Fi access for different network profiles, allowing you to prioritize what truly matters. Furthermore, eero works seamlessly with your internet service provider, replacing your old Wi-Fi router. It is compatible with most major providers, ensuring a smooth transition and uninterrupted connectivity. Setting up the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions in the eero app, which will guide you through the entire process. And the best part? You can manage your network from anywhere, giving you complete control and peace of mind. Say goodbye to slow Wi-Fi. With eero, you can fully maximize your internet connection by streaming, gaming, and working across your entire home. No more buffering or lagging, just seamless and uninterrupted performance. But that's not all. The eero Mesh Wi-Fi system continuously improves over time. It automatically receives updates to enhance network security and stability. For those seeking advanced features, additional online security and network management options are available through a separate subscription. Experience the power of true mesh technology. With eero's patented True Mesh, your Wi-Fi signal is intelligently routed to minimize drop-offs and eliminate dead spots, ensuring a seamless and reliable connection throughout your home. And as your needs change, expanding your eero system is a breeze. Its cross-compatible hardware allows you to effortlessly add more eero products, ensuring that your Wi-Fi coverage remains robust and reliable. Don't settle for subpar Wi-Fi. Upgrade to the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi system today and enjoy the ultimate whole home coverage experience. Get more out of your Wi-Fi and stay connected to what matters most.